Hey guys, this is Dra and welcome back to my channel kung saan nag-upload tayo ng videos for you to earn kahit nasa bahay ka lang. If you're still looking for a job at gusto mong kumita ng extra, there are a lot of jobs available online and one of those ay ang ESL teaching. So today, we are going to share another ESL companies na pwede nyong pag-applyan online. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll get updates every time we upload new videos. First, we have Sunside English. So, yung students nila ay English learners worldwide. They cater all ages and levels. For the levels, we have beginners to advanced. Usually, kapag ka beginners, mga kids. Now, for the rate, you can earn 200 to 300 pesos per hour. Sa teaching approach, they have audio and video classes. Some ESL companies, they only have audio classes, yung iba video. But dito kay Sunside English, they have both. When I started as an ESL teacher, I started as a video class teacher. So, nung nag-audio class teacher ako, it's easier for me because I don't have to prepare anything like yung kung may dress code or yung background mo, it should be plain white background or kailangan ba may design. Ayan. Now, for the teaching materials, provided na siya ni company. Yung mga gusto magtrabaho sa bahay, they offer permanent work from home setup. And then, flexible teaching hours to suit your schedule. So, kung kailan ka available, ayan, dyan ka lang pwedeng mag-open or saka ka lang mag-open ng slot mo. Now, for the requirements, they need at least 1 year teaching experience, laptop or desktop, stable internet connection, at least 10 Mbps download speed, headset with noise cancelling feature, quiet and professional teaching environment, proficiency in English native or near native level. Next, committed to a fixed teaching schedule, and doon sa mga gustong mag part-time, you must be available to commit sa schedule between 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. So make sure na available po kayo between this time. They have supportive team culture with resources and training is already provided by the company, and yung kanilang incentives ay performance-based. Based on my experience, yung incentives, minsan depende siya. For example, na-meet mo yung requirement ni company. Let's say, yung attendance, may percentage siya or halimbawa, perfect attendance ka, kasama na doon sa incentives yung ilan yung rating ni students sa'yo, doon siya papasok. For example, yung rating nila is 1 to 5. Kung 5 ka, may certain amount yun yung incentive na makukuha mo. Kung 4, yun din yung makukuha mo. So, ayan. Ganun yung incentives dati sa amin. Now, if you would like to apply, you can send your resume and introduction video sa kanilang email address. Next, Jolly School. Yung students nila ay Taiwanese. Yung rate, you can earn 200 pesos per hour. And yung teaching approach, one-on-one online English classes. So, hindi po sila booking system, regular classes po kay Jolly School. And naglalast yung class ng 25 to 55 minutes kay students. Kay student. Now, for the job responsibility, first, create class reports. Ito naman sa pag-create ng report based sa aking experience before, kapag or during the class, you're already taking down or nagno-notes ka na, nag-jot down notes ka na ng mga correction, let's say pronunciation, yung grammar lapses ni student, yun yung tinitake down mo. And then, every after your class with the student, kailangan mo siyang i-save, i-upload, kasi if not, pwedeng matag si student as absent. So, kailangan mo i-make sure na yung report mo is na-save mo siya. Yung iba naman, let's say may 25 minutes class ka and then may next class ka. Yung interval, let's say may 10 minutes. So, 25 minutes class and then 10 minutes yung pahinga mo before your next class. Usually, yun yung gagamitin mo sa pag-create ng report. Ayan. And then, upload class videos. Kung video classes, minsan automatic na siya magsisave. Pero if not, kung meron silang training, tuturuan din naman kayo neto. And then, kapag ka-audio kasi, automatic every after your class, nasi-save na dapat siya. Ayan. Kung hindi, siguro may way sila ng pag-upload ng class video. Next, provide quality education, work with a team, and be a team player. Requirements: must be 20 years old and above, have neutral accent, must be able to speak, understand, and explain in English. And yung minimum nila, kailangan nila ng 1 year ESL teaching experience, yung applicant. And you must be willing to work full-time. Kailangan nila nung internet, tsaka yung power backups. Quiet working environment is also required, and great working attitude is expected. Ayan, internet requirement, at least 20 Mbps download speed, and then 20 Mbps upload speed. Yung operating system nila, Windows 10 or above, yung processor, and then yung RAM 8 gig, yung minimum disk drive. So, dun sa mga previous videos natin, in-explain na natin na usually kasi during nung application nyo, nag-check yung IT. Let's say, after nung first interview nyo, and then i-connect kayo kay IT, or may another set kayo na um, magko-connect yung IT, and then i-check niyo yung mga or yung laptop nyo or desktop nyo or ano ba yung headset na ginagamit nyo, kung pasok ba siya. Ayan. Kaya eto, mas maigi na alam natin yung mga requirements pagdating dun sa device na kailangan ni company. Now, for the benefits, they have Christmas and performance bonuses. If you would like to apply, please submit your resume, 2-minute self-introduction video, screenshot or link ng speed test result nyo, a short clip of your actual class video and the hardware specifications, and then email nyo siya dito sa kanilang email address. Lalagay ko siya sa description box sa baba. Next, we have Ring Ring English. Yung students naman nila ay Korean, both kids and adults. For the rate, you can earn 150 to 200 pesos per hour based on your performance and DSL experiences. Ako na-experience ko na din dati na yung rate ko dun sa ibang co-teachers ko ay iba-iba. Depende din siguro siya sa length ng experience mo, kung tenured ka na, ayan. Minsan mas mataas yung sa kanila, or minsan yung iba naman, parehas lang. And then, kung nag increase siya, let's say, every year, or kung ano yung incentive or bonus ni company. Ayan. So, iba-iba din yung rate minsan ni teachers. For the teaching approach, provided na din yung lesson materials, video classes din kay Ring Ring English. So, yung platform nila is via Skype or Zoom. They offer both part-time or full-time. Ayan, schedule from Monday to Friday. You will conduct your classes for 30 minutes. Requirements: first, with ESL experience, bachelor's degree or above, excellent verbal and written English communication skills, must be really important to have a stable internet connection and a reliable station, PC or laptop. So, ayan, hindi po sila nakikater ng phone. So, you must have your PC or laptop, headset with noise cancelling feature as well. So, if you would like to apply, please submit your updated resume dito sa kanilang email address.